Okay, now I'm going to open a door, that door there. Put this down, hope it shines on the door, does it? No. Let's see if we can get that door. Okay. Here we go. Right, I'm going to open this door here. It leads down to the lower area. Wow, cool. Okay. So we'll go down the stairs here. Now this is the ruins of the farmyard, down these stairs here. And you can see the wall there. Look to the trees a bit, hope you can see through the trees. One's there. There's lots of old sucker trees growing up here. Okay, the stairs going down to, you can see the cave down there, so let's walk down the stairs, shall we? Carefully, without killing ourselves. Okay, shall we go into, I'll just go over here. This is the old farmyard. Of course there's always junk everywhere, isn't there? The gates onto the road. There's an old building there. There's two archways there sitting in the middle of nowhere. Obviously more farm buildings there. Stairs just there. Let's go into what they call the cave. We won't go into there, but there's more through that section there too. That sort of gives you an idea in here. Let's go back out to the ruins. Oh look, there's actually something through there too, see that? And there's more rooms through there. There's actually a pair of shutters there too. Let's see if we can walk out over through there. Whoops. Pick my way through here with a bit of luck. Oh, sorry for being a bit shaky there. Try and walk through that door there. That's funny, the shutters are still there. There's nothing behind the shutters. Let's go out through this door here. Puss, puss, puss. There's a wild cat I've just seen. I'm not going to walk through there, but this is inside a large building here. But essentially the back wall's fallen down. And you can see a roof lamp there. The shutter's still there. So it's very cool to have your own ruins here. Okay, bye for now.